how to be able to switch from personal account to business account or the opposite. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to be able to switch from the personal account to a business account or the opposite. Now all you need to do is go to your TikTok, click on those three buttons up there, click on setting and privacy. Now scroll down and click on report a problem. Wait a minute and scroll down. Click on Creator Tools. Now scroll down and click on the last option, which is I can switch to a pro or creator account. TikTok will be giving you some advices to resolve your problem. If it's not working, all you need to do is click on no and click need more help and take a screenshot of your problem or a video shot and tell them your feedback. It's gonna take like almost 24 hours to solve your problem or to reply to you. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.